I really feel so sad for Patlaporn Wang or First Wang for being excluded in the top 30 of Miss Universe Thailand 2022. So the main question is, what went wrong? Napakasayang, as in, she should have been one of the strongest possible contestants for Miss Universe Thailand 2022. So as in, sayang, no? So we are going to discuss at least 5 reasons, possible reasons why she didn't make it to the top 30 cut. Sayang, no? As in, sayang talaga. And the question really is, what went wrong for Patlaporn Wang or First Wang for failing to make the cut, the top 30 for Miss Universe Thailand 2022? Kaya magtataka ka, ano nga ba yung nagawa niya or may nagawa ba talaga siya? So, let us now make at least 5 reasons. Let us start to crack the code. So, we are going to start analyzing bakit ka ba hindi siya nakapasok. So, let us now begin with the first reason. And this is all about lacking communication skills. Why? It's because if you're going to observe the way she delivered her answer in English, you can really observe the difficulty. So, she is having a difficulty delivering her answer, especially kapag candid or biglang interview. So, instead of delivering her English in English, Thai na lang ang ginagawa niya kasi mas comfortable pa rin siya. By that reason alone, you can really determine na, ay, hindi pa niya pinaghandaan yung yung mga English lessons niya. So, dapat before joining Miss Universe Thailand, she should have been enrolled in various English lesson classes para at least ito yung talagang mas ready siya in terms of delivering her answer in English. So, not enough lessons, lesser preparation. So, dito siya nalegwak talaga. So, yan yung number 1. And then number 2 is looking for English-speaking candidates. So, Miss Universe Thailand is now preferring yung mga candidates na malakas talaga yung background nila sa English or they are already fluent in English so that yung strategy na makapasok ulit sa semifinals all the way to top 5 sa Miss Universe will be easier, will be mas malakas yung chance. And yes, they are these candidates na half-breed, yung mga candidates na may mga lahi and they grew up in foreign countries wherein English is their first mother tongue. That's why ito ang isang strategy for Miss Universe Thailand so that mas competitive na ang candidates nila, not only for pasarela training, alam mo yon, yung mga rampahan, but also in Q&A. So they are now looking for English-speaking candidates. Yung number 3 naman is all about health issues. So, if you're going to remember, nag-announce si Patlaporn Wang na she may no longer continue her journey sa Miss Universe Thailand because of sudden health issue. So, many believe baka nagka-COVID siya, mga ganon, or nagkaroon siya ng infectious na disease na syempre, Miss Universe Thailand will not allow any candidate to forego or to continue their journey dahil nga sa safety concerns, health concerns, tsaka yung safety ng mga staff and other candidates. Pero, biglang in-announce niya na, nakita niyo naman na, pinursue pa rin niya yung kanyang chance na sumali sa Miss Universe Thailand. So, maaari na this is one of the reason kung bakit parang hindi pa sila kumpiyansa kay Patlaporn Wang to be chosen as one of the top 30. So, I think pwede rin naman na reason ito. And then, yung number 4 is related sa health, but ito yung more on yung enhancements. So, nung unang sabak niya sa Miss Universe Thailand, you can really observe yung face niya. Medyo inflamed pa rin, fresh pa rin yung enhancements niya. So, yung lips niya, medyo ano pa siya, fresh talaga. May nilagay na enhancement, tapos dito niya, tapos lahat, may mga parts, there are parts of her face na inflamed, very fresh. So, syempre, if you are a health expert, you will really advise your patient not to involved in an active activity, especially if the patient is still undergoing healing process. Kasi baka hindi pa heal talaga yung face niya. And then, another thing is that deformed yung itsura ng face niya. So, makikita mo, yung mga nagpapa-enhance sa face, makikita nyo 2 weeks or 3 weeks bago mag-heal yung face niya. So, the meantime, during siguro that time na inflame tsaka hindi pa maayos yung face niya, yung mga staff of Miss Universe Thailand, parang kinonsider nila na, ay, parang hindi ka pa ready. So, ganon. Very late siyang magpa-enhance. So, dapat, before pa, months ago or mga 4 months ago or 3 months ago, dapat nagpa-enhance na siya para at least healed na yung face niya prior to filing her application as one of the applicants for Miss Universe Thailand para hindi siya magka-problema. Ayan. So, number 4, inflamed face enhancements. And then, eto yung number 5, yung discipline. So, discipline is really important. It's because this is one of the criteria, especially sa mga other national pageants and other international pageants, that attitude or personality is one of the most important na criteria in order for a candidate or a beauty queen to become influential. Alangan naman na magpapanalo sila ng candidate that has a strong personality, yung mga maarte, mayabang, laitera, yung mga ganun, yung mata pobre, yung mga ganun na candidate. So, they are choosing a candidate na hindi pasaway. So, I think, nagpasaway si Patlaporn Wang, kaya nakitaan nila ng, ay, wait, you must have to change first your attitude next time before filing again your application, if still eligible next year. So, ayan, nabanggit ko kanina yung pagpipilit niya sa sarili niya na i-pursue pa rin ang pageant even though nagkasakit siya, and then pinipilit pa rin niyang sumali sa pageant kahit na nag-inflame. Tapos, late lahat. Late siyang, hindi pa siya handa sa English, sa communication skills niya. Tapos, late din yung pagpapa-enhance niya. Tapos, ayun, late lahat. So, nasa discipline talaga yan. And yung preparation. So, dito mo makikita na kapag late ka nag-prepare, late ka nag-decide, tapos andyan na yung project mo, mabubulilyaso talaga. So, tignan niyo nangyari kay Patlaporn Wang. Nabulilyaso lahat ng mga plano niya for Miss Universe Thailand. So, this is a lesson for everybody na if you are going to participate in a major event or in a major competition, make sure na preparation talaga is an important thing for you to accomplish first before filing or participating or committing to something na hindi mo ikakapahiya. So, ayan. And that is a big disappointment for Patlaporn Wang. And I think masakit, syempre, para sa kanya and for her fans not to be included in the top 30, but we should really analyze talaga. We should really scrutinize kung bakit siya na exclude. So, ayan, medyo nabubutal-butal na naman ang pananalita ko. I'm very sorry. But then, yes, this is what I observed why Patlaporn Wang failed to reach Miss Universe Thailand. So, napakasayang talaga. But then, if she is still eligible to participate next year, why not? Why not coconut, chocolate, peanut? So, that's it, guys. Thank you. If you want more updates like this, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Story of Anthony Vlogs, for more pageant updates, for more Boodle updates, and more updates from me. O, diba? And you can reach me out on my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So, that will be all. Thank you very much, and goodbye. Mwah.